Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 kids bike locks of 2021. The list starts from Tittenker Bike Lock Cable, 4 feet bike cable, basic self-coiling resettable combination cable. It's resettable, easy to set your own personalized number combination. It's good performance cable. Flexible steel cables for strong cut resistance and PVC coating, helps prevent scratching and keeping more durable. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Tittenker Bike Chain Lock, 3.3 feet security anti-theft bike lock chain with keys bicycle. Its protective cloth sleeve and dust cover. Chain is enclosed in protective cloth sleeve, which effectively protects the chain from rusting and scratching. And the dust cover can protect your keyhole from rain and dust. It's secure and portable. Tittenker Bike Lock comes with 2 keys. You can take one of the keys to use in daily life, and you can leave another key at home in case you accidentally lose one. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Sanwa Security Bike Lock 4-digit resettable combination cable lock for bicycle. It's engineering plastic shell and flexible steel cables, solid, durable. It's easy to set your own personalized number combination, but please don't forget the number. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the 7th one, Sportneer Bicycle Chain Lock, 5-digit resettable combination anti-theft bike locks. It's durable cut resistance cable. This bike lock cable is made from 0.27-inch extra thick manganese steel for cut resistance and protective zinc-plated coating to prevent from scratching. It's long flexible cable. This bike lock is 3.2 feet long, ideal for bicycles, bike, ladders, lawnmowers, gates, fences, toolboxes, BBQ, sport equipments and etc. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You should look into this product. It was surely